Hello, in this video we will discuss about the blood pressure chart by age. So I am drawing the chart for understanding from minimum to normal to maximum blood pressure. So we can understand the systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. So the upper region higher is the systolic but the lower is the diastolic. So from 1 to 12 month, 75 to 50 is the minimum, while the normal 90 to 60, maximum is 110 over 75 millimeter of mercury. And 1 to 5 year age person which contain 80 to 55 minimum, 95 to 65 normal, and 110 to 79 is the maximum, while the 6 to 11, 13 years person teenager which that contain 90 to 60 and 105 to 70 is the normal, while the 115 is our 18 is the maximum, while here is the 14 to 19 years is the teenager person which that's contain 105 to 73 and normal is 117 to 77 and 120 over 81 is the maximum, while on the other hand here is the 20 to 24 years person which that's contain 108 to 75 minimum, 120 to 79 normal, and 132 to 83 is maximum, and 25 to 29 years person 109 over 76 is the minimum, and 121 over 80 is the normal, and 133 over 84 is the diastolic and systolic. The upper part is the systolic and lower is the diastolic. So here is the 30 to 34 years person which contain 110 over 77 is the minimum, while 122 is our 81 is the normal, and 134 to 85 is the maximum. So 35 to 39 year person is 111 over 77 and 123 to 82 and 135 over 86, and 40 to 44 years person 112 over 78 and 125 over 83 and 137 to 87 maximum. So 45 to 49 years person which that's contain 115 over 80 and 127 over 84 is the normal, and maximum 139 over 88. So remember, this is the normal healthy person. So 50 to 54 years 116 over 81 is the minimum, 129 over 85 is the normal, and 142 over 89 is the maximum, and 55 let's begin to understand. This is the basically 50 to 54 years old person, and 55 to 59 years is the basically minimum is 118 over 82 systolic and diastolic, and 131 over 86, and maximum is 144 over 90 maximum. So the last one is the 60 to 64 years old person which that's contain minimum is 121 over 83 and normal is 134 over 87, and maximum is 147 over 91. So this is the you can understand this is increasing downward with the passage of age, with the time, due to the systolic and diastolic pressure will be increased with the aging. How it's possible? Let's begin to understand what is the systolic and diastolic pressure and how can we measure through millimeter of mercury. Because it can be measured through millimeter of mercury, we can use for the measuring of the blood pressure. So here is the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure means when muscle of the heart will be contract and eject the blood throughout the body is known as systolic blood pressure. It is usually more than the diastolic pressure. And when the heart will be relaxed and for filling the blood into the heart, atrium and ventricle, that is basically is the diastolic blood pressure, because the vasodilation will be occur. And in this way, basically the complication and the diseases will cause due to the aging, and there are a lot of things with before the aging. For example, arteriosclerosis and atherosclerosis, hardening of the vessel lead to hypertension. Hypertension mean will elevate the blood pressure, systolic and diastolic, while on the other hand the decrease of blood volume or when increase of the blood volume will lead to hypertension, while when decrease the of blood volume will lead to hypotension. Hypotension means the blood pressure will be decreased, while the hypertension means the blood pressure will be increased. So this is the blood pressure chart by age. I hope you are getting this concept. This is the basically you can understand minimum to normal to maximum. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Next video we will discuss about the cholesterol chart. Thanks. Bye.